Hello everyone, welcome on How to Solve YouTube channel. I'm Jay and today I am here with a pro tip for Apple's AirPods Pro. Would you like to change your AirPods Pro name? Then this is the right tutorial for you. Actually, Apple AirPods Pro is valuable wireless headphones with noise cancellation features. Along with the powerful functionality, the user can keep its desired name for AirPods Pro. And this name you can see at all places where your AirPods Pro connected, for example on Apple Music on iPhone, Apple Watch, your Apple Mac or on other devices. Let's see how to rename your AirPods Pro name. For this, your AirPods Pro must be connected to your iPhone. Open the Settings app, then tap Bluetooth. Here I think the number Bluetooth devices list appears if before you have paired to your iPhone or Mac. Tap on icon next to the connected AirPods Pro. Now on the screen, you can get Edit Screen to change settings for AirPod Pro. Among all of them, tap on AirPods Pro name. Now enter your desired name. If your device running on the latest iOS 13 or later, then you can use the slide to typing feature without lifting finger, that you can see on this video screen. And tap on Done. Then tap back to save your AirPods Pro name. That's it. Now open the Music app and check your new name of AirPods Pro. I hope you can see rename AirPods Pro name. That's it. You can get more video for AirPods Pro. Please visit this video description and make yourself master of Apple AirPods Pro.